Today we are going to do the numerical from the chapter Force and Laws of Motion, class 9. The numerical says a motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour and it takes 4 seconds to stop after the brakes are applied. Calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motor car if its mass along with the passengers is 1000 kg. So what is given in the numerical, first of all, we will write down. Now we have to understand in the numerical, students, a motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour. So that means it is u, that is the initial velocity. So u is 108 km per hour. Now students, you have to keep it in mind, indirect way of conveying about the initial and the final velocity is given in the numerical. The thing is that you have to find out which is the initial velocity and which can be the final velocity too. So this you have to keep it in mind, children. So after this, now u is 108 km per hour, right? Now we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Now what is the trick we have to apply? That is, whenever we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we will multiply with 5 upon 18. And when we do opposite, so you will do it with 18 upon 5. Clear, children? Okay. Now, after doing the calculation, the answer comes out to be 30 meter per second. That means conversion of kilometer per hour to meter per second. I have done it and the answer comes out to be 30 meter per second. After this, it says that after the brakes are applied, now the brakes are also applied. So after the brakes are applied, that means the final velocity becomes 0. So again it is given over here the indication that is the brakes are applied and hence we will come to know that v is equal to 0 meter per second, right? After this, the time is also given, that is 4 seconds. I have written over here. So all the values I have taken out from the numerical and I have quoted over here. Even after doing the conversions, that is from kilometer per hour to meter per second and so on and on. Okay. Now after this, now we know that mass is 1000 kg given and what we have to find out, that is F. And what is the formula of F? That is mass into acceleration. But to quote the values in, that is force formula, we also need acceleration. So we will calculate for acceleration. Now we know the formula, acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t, and whatever the values we are having, we will quote down. That means we are having all these three values. So now let us quote down the values. That is v is 0. I have done it over here. Now u is also what? That is, I have taken out as 30. So I have written 30 and time is also 4. So I have written 4. Now, after quoting all the values, it has come out to be minus 15 upon 2. Right, children? Now, I will quote the values of mass and acceleration. So, force is equal to, that is 1000 into minus 15 upon 2. After doing the calculation, my answer has come out to be force is equal to minus 7500 what? Newton. And this way, we have solved the numerical.